There's way too many cryptocurrencies being traded on the open market right now. How many though?
It's over 9,000! 9,000?! There's no way that could be right!
Just kidding. I really wanted to put that Dragon Ball reference in there, but it's actually over 5,000. Seriously though, with that many cryptos in circulation, which ones will actually see adoption and be actual currencies, or anything for that matter? Watch this video to the end to find out a few of our favorite coins and why we chose them. Intro. Kai SoFly, the smooth savage here, back like we never left. Future millionaires, welcome to the Super XRP Bros channel. Today's video is for the serious long-term investors, aka the hodlers. So don't expect to get rich overnight with these coins, although it could happen because anything's possible, right? If you've listened to our previous podcasts, you can tell that at our channel, we like to look at the whole picture and view life through its quantum lens, the realm of uncertainty and infinite possibilities. Some people are getting it twisted in the crypto space, but money for the most part is already digital. Only 7% of the money supply is physical. 93% is just numbers on a screen. And I believe that we're moving away from the rigid digital society to a free and quantum world that's more aligned with the laws of nature. The first place we're gonna see these quantum changes is the financial landscape. Because let's face it, the current system can be replaced with something much better. So let's start off with this clip from Fujitsu.
So risk and investment strategy is at the core of financial services institutions. The returns you make, the risks you take, the investments you make. But it's all about the decision making. There are so many options, so many variables to consider. And it's all about how can you get the best judgment to make the best decisions at the right time. But with all these variables, it's really, really complicated. So just imagine, just looking at a 4-digit code has 10,000 opportunities, 10,000 possibilities, using normal computing techniques to look at all those variables, all those options. Could take months, could take years. So a lot of the time, you have to just make the best judgment you can with the information you've got. And the way in which we do that is through digital annealer and the use of quantum-like or quantum-inspired computing. That enables us to look at all of the millions or billions of options at once, simultaneously, and be able to provide the information in a much more real-time, accelerated way. So, for example, a complex problem that could take months or years to handle with normal computing methods would now take seconds. They're giving you the ability to have the right level of information at your fingertips to make the best strategies to help drive your business forward.
All right, so there you go. Moving on from the old style of computing to quantum computing. So now let's dive a little bit deeper into what quantum computing actually is. I'm gonna play you guys this clip from CNBC.
Quantum computers use the natural world to produce machines with staggeringly powerful processing potential.
I think it's going to be the most important computing technology of this century, which we are really just about 1/5 into.
We could use quantum computers to simulate molecules to build new drugs and new materials, and to solve problems plaguing physicists for decades. Wall Street could use them to optimize portfolios, simulate economic forecasts, and for complex risk analysis. Quantum computing could also help scientists speed up discoveries in adjacent fields like machine learning and artificial intelligence. Amazon, Google, IBM, and Microsoft, plus a host of smaller companies such as Rigetti and D-Wave, are all betting big on quantum.
If you were a billionaire, how many of your billions would you give over for an extra 10 years of life? There are some simply astonishing financial opportunities in quantum computing. This is why there's so much interest.
All right, so I don't know if you guys just noticed in that clip, but he said there are massive financial opportunities in quantum computing, right? So they're already setting the stage for a new quantum financial system. So the companies they mentioned, Google, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon. So let's see which crypto companies are connected to these major quantum computing players. So here we're gonna go to the Hyperledger website, right? And we're gonna take a look at all of the partners. All right, so premier members of Hyperledger, look here, Fujitsu, first clip we paid. IBM, very important, right? These are the premier members of the Hyperledger protocol. Let's look for some crypto companies. And look, Ripple. Ripple is the creator of XRP. First crypto company on the page. Let's go down. Well, actually, I think I missed one up here. And look at this, Hedera HashGraph. Both connected. And if we move down to the associate members, we see Ethereum. These are my 3 picks to create massive wealth in your lifetime. There's no doubt in my mind that these 3 projects are the keys to a fast and more fair internet. Look at this. Hedera HashGraph is owned and operated by the world's leading organizations. We got Google here, we got IBM again, right? So they're connected through Hyperledger, but IBM actually owns a part of Hedera HashGraph. Google owns a part of Hedera HashGraph. HashGraph is gonna be the trust layer of the internet. So we got HashGraph, we also got Ripple's XRP. XRP is going to be the payment backbone for the new quantum financial system. XRP is the most liquid asset. It's already being used all over the world right now. And once we have more regulatory clarity, I believe that XRP is going to play a major role as possibly the new world reserve currency, the IMF's ESDR. And then we have Ethereum. Ethereum, we know, is going to be the new base that decentralized apps are being built off of. Majority of the cryptocurrencies are ERC20 tokens, so they're built off of Ethereum. So if you're looking to generate wealth in an undervalued asset class, I'd start with these 3 coins, especially if you're new to crypto. These are definitely big projects with big backings from companies like IBM, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. This isn't financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I am someone with a high degree of consciousness, and I believe in what I'm seeing. If you're watching this video in 2020, it means that you probably already are or about to be an early investor of the Web 3.0. Yo, that about wraps it up for this video. I urge you to question everything I'm saying, and if you're serious about investing, do your own research and make your own decisions. If you want to get started with trading crypto, you can sign up for my 2 most trusted exchanges down in the description. Hope you guys found a lot of value in this video. And if you did, support the channel by smashing that like button. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments section below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.